Hello! In today's video, I'll talk about the differences between Monsieur Cuisine Smart and Thermomix TM6, and also we'll talk about is it more worth to buy the new MC Smart or the used TM6. So let's first talk about the design. Because that's the first thing that you can notice. The TM6 is slimmer and lighter, which makes it fit on your worktop much better and gives you more space in front of your device. They're both made of plastic, but the Thermomix plastic feels more durable and premium, whereas MC Smart just has plastic. Cheap feeling, but it gets the thing done. Another thing about the design is mixing bowl. MC technically fits more content. It's 3 liters and TM has only 2.2 liters. But in many modes I found that the MC advises you not to fill over 2.5, so you eventually don't have a chance to use 3 liters very often. The mixing bowl also has a lid, and that's also different. On your TM, you just put the lid on or remove it, and when the lid gets locked, the lid gets locked only when you start a program. Let me do a quick demonstration. So as you can see, we have the device, we have the lid, it has a removable measuring cup that is there to cover the hole on top of the lid. And now when I put the lid on, I can just start the device. You can see I can remove the bowl at any time. I'm sorry for the mic. And yeah, it just works like that. Now, when I start the program, it locks right here, and then it is not removable. And as soon as I stop the program, it automatically unlocks. Now on your MC, you need to screw the lid on, and then you can't remove the mixing bowl from the base, which looks like that. If I have the lid on, I can't physically remove it. If I unscrew the lid and remove it, then I can remove the bowl. That's, I think, as a cosmetic thing. It's just that you need to remember to unscrew it before you take it off. I don't really think it matters that much, but I did include it here so that we know. By the way, accessories are very similar across both devices. Of course, they're not interchangeable, but it doesn't matter. Enough about the overall design. Let's address the elephant in the room, the loudness. Now, as I get to the Thermomix, it is much quieter than the MC Smart. I'll just rearrange it a little bit so the microphone is in the same distance from both devices. Okay, there it is. And now the MC Smart is way more loud. It's very loud, and I'll demonstrate it first on the speed number 1. Now the thing is also that the step of speed change on the TM is 0.5 and it's 1 here, which means that you can set the speed from 1 to 10 on your MC Smart. So there's 10 modes. And here you can set either gentle stir or 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and so on up to 10. And then both have turbo. I'll also demonstrate that the loudness in a moment. Now let's set the speed number 1. So that's going to be like the 3rd speed on TM. So that it's just fair. Let's set speed number 1. And this is the sound it makes. It's not very loud. Now I'll stop that and let's do speed number 1 on the MC. I thought it was on. Okay, yeah, that it is. Let's get to the modes. Let's go to adapted cooking, and now I'll set the speed to number 1. Let's try it. Wait, did I remove everything from it? No, I didn't. Okay. great to remove things that aren't supposed to be there. Now, of course, both devices don't have any contents in it, so with contents, especially hard ingredients, it's going to be much louder. But let me demonstrate. Let's set speed to 1 and let's start. That is noticeably more loud. Now let's set the speed to 6. That is speed number 6, and on TM the speed number 6 is going to be sounding like that. So that is noticeably quieter. And now the last thing is going to be the turbo mode, which is also quite useful sometimes. So let's get to the turbo. There we are. There it is. Okay. Now be aware that it will be loud. So let's start. And now on TM, the turbo mode is going to be a bit more quiet. It also works a little differently, but I'll set it to 2 seconds on purpose so it can like reach the full speed. And let's do it. And that is the comparison of sound. Next thing is the amount of available recipes. TM has a large database of around 100,000 recipes, but of course they're in different languages. But in general, a single language gets around 6 to 40,000. That does require a subscription in Cookido, but there are 200 built-in free recipes and also recipe community websites where users make hundreds of thousands recipes themselves. Now the MC, the recipe base is limited to a bit over 1,000 recipes, and that's it. It is free to use without a subscription, but well, 1,000 recipes is, in my opinion, only for learning how to use the device, so later you can use traditional recipes and adapt them to MC based on your experience from these pre-made recipes. Also, recipe communities are pretty small, so if you want any more recipes, you may want to look into Thermomix recipes and kind of learn how to adapt them to fit your Monsieur Cuisine. Next part is the system of the device. Thermomix offers a very intuitive system with loads of tips and suggestions, as well as presets for different ingredients. Those presets on the TM6 are available through the chop mode, and you can just find different ingredients like, let's say, milk chocolate. I can see here pork or nuts, poppy seeds, and you can just use them in the chop mode. On TM7, which I'll also compare in a different video with the Monsieur Cuisine, and also I have compared the TM6 with the TM7, you can see that the TM7 also has even more ingredient presets. Whereas here, you kind of just need to either learn, you need to learn what ingredient and like what amount of that ingredient needs what speed in the manual mode. So now let's get to the next part, which is going to be the MC, that offers a kind of similarly looking system, but I found it less intuitive because it didn't really give you a lot of tips on how to use built-in modes, which was pretty confusing sometimes because the way you use some modes is different than on TM. And if you don't own a TM, then you aren't going to know how to use a mode at all. Now, one last thing is that the Thermomix has been on the market for many years. I know people that are still using their 30-year-old TM21 daily. So I believe that unless you're a tech freak and need to have the newest one, you can use your TM for as long as you want, with just some minor repairs like replacing the mixing knife. My verdict is that it's very up to you. If you want just a device that maybe won't do everything for you and you need to learn it a bit more, you don't care about the design, size, or build quality, and you just want it to be your next kitchen appliance, it's just fine if you buy Monsieur Cuisine Smart. But if you have enough to spend on a TM, where TM6 can be bought used for about twice or 1.5 times the price of the new MC, you definitely won't regret that choice. It will give you more flexibility, reliability, user-friendliness, and it's very usable for people of any age with any experience. Let me know in the comments what are your thoughts on these, and if you already have one of them, feel free to check out other videos on our channel, and don't forget to like this one. See ya!